ABS-CBN sports coverage ng Season 75 ng UAAP Women's Volleyball. National University took the first set 25-13. It was a dominating performance, led of course by new team captain Dindin Santiago and of course Myla Pablo.
Well, you know, again, NU started out really slow, but then again, UE helped them with all those service reception errors. They helped them, you know, get more points and get more comfortable, and then they finally pulled away in that first set.
UE still struggling to find their identity, having difficulty with the first ball. Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Boy Dalistan. They need a good reception and able to set up their offense to be able to get their bearings going. But NU just proving to be a different team as compared to what they were in Season 74 here in Season 75.
That's right, and it's evident in terms of attacks. 8-4, NU really receiving better, blocking better, 2-0. Service aces,
Wow.
8-1. You know, on first errors, it balances itself out, but the service aces really 8 compared to just 1. That's already 7 points off the bat.
Once again, thank you so much to everybody watching on Studio 23 and Don Rojas alongside Noreen Go. We have Billy Capistrano reporting for National University and of course Kat Salao reporting for UE. It is day 5. Women's volleyball action live from the arena in San Juan City. Following this matchup, I'd like to remind everybody, Ateneo takes on UST. We're looking at 19-year-old sophomore from Santa Ignacia Tarlac, Myla Pablo. And of course, new team captain of UE from Santa Mesa, Manila, Lucette Tawis. Ivy Perez, setter for National University, will kick things off here in the second set. Now, for UE, Noreen, what are the adjustments they need to do, they need to make in order to make this game more interesting?
Well, first, you know, I'd like to pinpoint their service reception. Again, they started with a service reception error. You know, if they're having trouble receiving, they have to just change their formation. You can do that. You can put in like 2 people to receive.
Okay.
What they're using is 4 at the back for doing the service reception. If 2 of them are not working, you can use 2. You know,
Okay.
that's you can do that. Get your 2 best receivers, receive, and then the others will just position themselves. Wherein if they're in front, they're in the back. But you can do that. You can change your formation if they're if they're able to do that. Maybe they can receive better.
Wow.
Wow, that's all you can say.
Pati
Wow.
ako nagulat doon. Rookie, Urdas, Aiko Urdas, showing us flashes of her potential.
Well, everybody's really talking about her and saying you gotta keep a close watch on this person because she is a player to be reckoned with.
Santiago. Oh!
Communication error decided.
They weren't able to position themselves
Point goes
properly.
UE.
She lost her balance there.
That's right, a miscue. That's a pretty tall front line for NU.
Yes.
Not just because it's Santiago. I mean, Santiago's a given, but, you know, even Urdas.
Running spike by Santiago. Something that has been perfected by the likes of Abby Mariano, Gretchen Ho, and of course Micah Ortiz of UST here in the UAAP.
Well, that was a good point there for NU. Pablo this time.
Pablo continuing her improvement here in UAAP Season 75. And you know, with these new players of NU, the improvement of Pablo, the arrival of Dindin Santiago, one player that has lost a little bit of the headlines is Kai Nepomuceno.
You're right. You know, sometimes there's an adjustment that, or Kai Nepomuceno has to adjust her game because she's so used to being the go-to girl.
Yes.
You know, now we're not saying,
Bumaba yung laro niya.
eh.
No, not
we're
at
just
all.
saying she has to accept her role coming into this season with Dindin Santiago back, Jen Reyes back. Just accept her role and embrace it. Don't fight it.
Yeah.
Embrace it. Let's play together. You're a star. Okay, I'll play my game. And, once you embrace it, then they can play better as a team.
Nepomuceno just got the last point for National University. And speaking of the Lady Bulldogs, let's go to Billy Capistrano.
Coach Francis emphasized that the girls have to keep them composure and dapat wag silang kabahan. Kapag nagkamali, pwesto na kaagad. Now, I got the chance to talk to some of the players a while ago and they told me that in today's game, all out pa rin sila. Before the game, the girls were encouraging one another and simply enjoying each other's company. According to them, nakakatulong na close sila lahat dahil nagiging coherent at nagsilaon before. This in turn helps them to reach their common goal, which is to win. Anton?
Thank you, Billy. And again, we were talking about the running spike of Dindin Santiago. That was a better one
Yeah.
on that last play.
That was a well-executed play, good reception, equally good set. And Santiago, she wanted it. I was looking at her before that play. She was talking to Perez saying, and they were able to implement.
And she wanted it because the last time, she didn't really hit it well. It was weak.
Yeah,
So, gusto niyang bumawi at nakabawi siya.
that's right. And speaking of Bawe, a good point there of it's not easy to get a spike off Dindin Santiago and Perez, but
Bulan.
yeah, Bulan. We're talking about her for UE. Good point for UE.
Nepomuceno has to hit it from the back row. Wow! Kahit Nepomuceno can really come alive anytime. And this time, she can relax because last year, everything was really on her.
That's right. And that's a very good example of a top spin spike. Talaga done to perfection. That's all she did. She was far from the net. Just got it over and she gets that point.
Well, looking at the floor right now, Noreen, we can really see the advantage the NU team has when it comes to height against UE.
Yeah. Even their setter is, I think, around 5'7".
Yeah, si Perez. Oh!
Whoa.
They have to be careful with that bumping on each other.
Well, it's more of, for me that when you look at that, she will hyperextend her knee. I'm talking about Pablo in slow-mo. That's what they want to avoid because those are the movements, they're not normal, that gives injuries to players.
And what changed the positioning was that the ball hit the tape of the net. So the trajectory of the ball went upwards, making it more difficult for Pablo and Nepomuceno to receive that one.
That's right. And the miscue here is this time offense of NU not working.
7-6, NU. Still on top, it's a free ball for UE. Masangkay sets to the left. Faith Bulan, nothing there yet. Nepomuceno has to go with that underhand hit from the back row. They go back to Faith. Long rally we're having here. Santiago from the back row.
Oh, good cover.
Santiago again from the back row. That one goes out.
Wow, and Anton, it's 7-all. We were talking about UE and their airs, and so far, and here in the second set, they're doing a good job, and we're tied. We're actually tied.
UE showing a little fight in them here in the second set. Nepomuceno off the block. Kai Nepomuceno, despite losing a little bit of the headlines, will still be there and is a threat to any team in the UAAP. We have a Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.